Hey everyone, if you want to use FlowGPT with ChatGPT in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to find prompts in FlowGPT and use them with ChatGPT for better AI results. First, FlowGPT is a platform where users share and discover AI prompts designed to improve responses from AI models like ChatGPT. Start by opening FlowGPT in your browser and signing into your account. Use the search bar to find prompts related to your task. Select a prompt and review the instructions provided by the creator. Now copy the prompt text so you can use it with ChatGPT. Next, open ChatGPT in your browser. Paste the FlowGPT prompt into ChatGPT and add your own details if necessary. Send the prompt and let ChatGPT generate the response. You can refine the prompt or add extra instructions to get more accurate results. If you find useful prompts, save them for future use. For the best results, customize FlowGPT prompts instead of using them exactly as they are. A common mistake is copying prompts without adjusting them for your specific needs, which can produce generic responses. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use FlowGPT with ChatGPT in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.